Let's imagine you guys are out there right now enjoying the Christmas lights with friends and family, or maybe going through a drive-in movie theater. You get the vehicle on and running to make sure everyone's comfortable on the inside of the vehicle. You know, maybe it's too hot, too cold outside, you want to be comfortable. But the problem is though, you get the vehicle on and then your daytime running lights are on too as well. That may ruin the experience for everyone else out there trying to do the same with friends and family. So your question might be, Chris, is there a way I could turn these off while keeping the vehicle on to make sure everyone's still comfortable? The answer is yes, you can, and let me show you how. All right, so you guys can see that your daytime running lights are on, the vehicle's of course on and running, and the vehicle's in park. All you have to do is come right over here to the light stick. As you can see, it's set to auto. You got the little line right here to see the options that you are selecting. This is gonna be simple. All you have to do is swipe it to off and let go. Then you come right over here. Boom, they are temporary off. Now, once you put the vehicle into drive and you get moving, when the vehicle's in motion, your daytime running lights will come right back on. There is no permanent way to turn these off because there are some states that require when vehicles in motion, these are on, okay? There we go.